Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making some friendship bracelets. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are scissors, 4 different colors of string, and some tape. First, you're going to take 4 long and equal pieces of string and lay them side by side. The colors I'm going to be doing are white, yellow, blue, and green. So I'm just going to cut them in an equal length and then put them side by side. Next, you're going to tie your strings in a knot at the top. Now you're going to tape these strings down to the surface. Now you're going to separate your strings into the order you want to have them appear. Now, starting from the left, you're going to make a 4 with the first string, crossing it over the second, and then take the string and loop it under and into the middle of the 4, and then pull the first string up. You're going to do that twice. Then you're going to move on to green, in my case, or whatever color you use for the second. I'm just going to make a 4, loop it under, pull it up, and do that twice. At the beginning, your friendship bracelet may not look like much of a friendship bracelet, but after the next couple of lines, it'll start to look really cool. And then I do that with my blue. 2 times, 1, 2. Then my white goes all the way to the right. Now I do the same thing with my yellow. 2 times on the green, 2 times on the blue, 2 times on the white, and then I do the green. After the green, I'll do blue, and then it'll be back to white. This is what it looks like with the first 4 lines. I have the white, yellow, green, blue, and then we're going to start over again with the white. You can also do different colors. If you have different colored string and yarn, I have a dark blue and a purple as well, so I can also make something with those. So I made 2 different bracelets. I made the yellow, white, blue, and green one, which is the one I showed you. And then I also made a green, purple, dark blue, and light blue one. And this is what the finished product is going to look like. You'll just tie the ends together. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!